What do a killer falcon and a stealth bomber have in common? At first, they seem worlds apart, one a marvel of nature, the other a feat of engineering. But look closer, and you'll find a fascinating link. Meet the peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth, famous for its breathtaking dives and unmatched agility. This bird can dive at over 200 miles per hour, making it a true speed demon. Its streamlined body and sharp vision make it a master of stealth and surprise. Inspired by the falcon, engineers designed the B-2 Spirit bomber's smooth, curved wings to slice through the air with minimal resistance, just like the bird. The bomber's sleek shape is a direct result of learning from nature. That's how the B-2 Spirit sneaks past radar, by mimicking the falcon's stealth and speed. Both rely on precision and surprise. Nature really does know best.